Hey everyone, here is your what to do video for this week. Okay, so we are in Unit 1 folder. You will have week 5 open. Main thing I need for you guys to hear and understand is on Wednesday. So Wednesday the 7th or the 14th. Wednesday the 14th, you guys will have a quiz that will open at 8 a.m. and it will close at 8 p.m. that night. Okay? So you need to finish that quiz between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. that night. Don't start it late. Don't start it later than 7 p.m. because it is timed. You'll have 45 minutes to complete it. Use academic honesty. But at the end of 45 minutes, it will turn off and turn in. So don't start it any later than 7 so you can get in before that 8 o'clock time limit. So that quiz is going to be over sections 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. 1.1 and 1.2 were last week's topics. 1.3 is in this week's, along with 1.4, but 1.4 is not going to be on the quiz. So another thing I need for you to note is that anything that deals with 1.3 in this unit is actually due date of Tuesday, because I want you to have that finished before you start the quiz on Wednesday. Okay? 1.4 has a due date of Wednesday, but if you're taking the quiz, it's up to you. I mean, just get it done by Wednesday by noon. Okay? So what you're going to do this week is 1.3a notes and 1.3b notes. Take those notes and then do the homework Schoology assignment on that. There is a small project in here that I need for you to do. It's a city design project. Here's the first part. You have to do the first part before you can go on and do the second part. Okay? My suggestions to you on this is make sure to keep really good notes of your work. So have separate paper for your work. Take really good notes of those works. Do it step by step by step. Number 1. Then go to number 2, step by step by step. Leave everything out so you can read it all really well. Okay, it'll make that a lot easier. There is a 1.1 to 1.3 review. So 1.3 city design project and 1.3c are all due by Tuesday. Okay, so that you have those done in time to take the quiz on Wednesday. 1.4a notes, part A, part B, and then the Schoology assignment. Okay, that is your entire week. So you have 2 sections, a project, and a quiz to do this coming week from the 7th through the 14th. As always, let me know if you have questions. Sign up for the one-on-one conferences. And I think that's all. Thanks, guys.